There are 4 knives in the Freeman Guide series. 2 folding blades, 2 fixed blades. In each set is a drop point and a gut hook. Here we're going to be taking a look at the Freeman Guide folding blade drop point knife. It's a large folder. The blade is made of a stainless steel, has dual thumb studs, has a liner lock, the blade action is very smooth, very easy to open and very easy to close. The knife has a rubber overlay. It's great for all types of conditions, wet or dry, very grippy. The knife has aggressive jimping down the back, follows on the spine of the knife, come underneath. Definitely has some aggressive finger grooves. Overall, the knife feels very comfortable in the hand. Even if it was wet, I don't think I'd lose the grip on this knife. Back of the knife we have a lanyard hole. The knife does come with a sheath, fairly nice sheath. The sheath has a belt loop and different carry options there. There you go. That's your first look at the Freeman Guide folded drop point. For more information on this product, check us out online at rockynational.com or call us toll free at 1-800-705-2040.